Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Today I am going to show you how to fix personal hotspot on new update of iOS. Simply open settings and tap on mobile data and turn off mobile data for few seconds and then turn on mobile data. And secondly, you just open mobile data network raise the username and go back. Now scroll down you can see appears on screen reset statistics. Just tap on it, tap reset statistics and go back to home screen and press the power key for few seconds and tap cancel the turning off. iPhone passcode now enter here. That's it, now 100% problem is solved. Hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.